All right, gonna do a video on this 1994 Pierce fire engine. 200,000 miles on it. Detroit, 300 horsepower diesel engine. It's got the Allison's automatic transmission. Things in excellent condition, inside and out. Tires look to be in good shape all the way around. Wheels are nice and shiny, aluminum. Tons of storage. It'd be great for parades. Take it to your ranch, and you'd always have a fire truck in case a fire broke out. That would be a nice little peace of mind. So super cool. You can come down August 23rd. That's gonna be our preview day from 9 to 4. You can check it out in person. I got pictures of all the storage bins and all that. Here's the back. Even got the fire gear right there. You're ready to go. About 100 gauges all right here. Here's the driver's seat. You got the power on off switch, kills all the power. We'll hop up in here, show you the gauges and all that. And there you go. The AC. Let me fire it up. Runs really well. It was driven in, local, driven in from about 30, 40, 50 miles away. So it drove here and all that good stuff. Got a guy trying to drop off. All right, so that's going to conclude the video. Come check it out, August 23rd, 9 to 4. Get yourself a fire truck, 1994 Pierce. Come and get it. There you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.